nearest method, k nearest neighbor method, that naive Bayes method, decision trees method, support vector regression. So what there are many methods, so we have to explore all these methods. So if we talk about the k method, so what is the basic idea to use that method? So if we want to sell our products to the market or mandi, so in which we have to we have to calculate what is the best place we can sell out our product. So we are calculating the weighted k nearest method, and in this the weighted method is used. The weighted method parameter can be used as a price also, so it can include transportation charges. So whatever will be the nearest, it can be possibly that is benefited by the farmer, then we can use the naive or naive method. So in this we can using the probability type of thing. So if we are saying that if you are producing this type of crop, the probability of getting this thing is very bad, good, otherwise no. So decision trees are, so there are basically many algorithms that is to be included in my study. Then deep learning method, so LSTM. So whenever the variables are very large, because in my study parameters are very large, so we cannot trust only on we cannot go through only on machine learning. We have to explore more about deep learning also. So in this we have ANN method, then LSTM, RNN method, then convolutional neural network, where we can detect the diseases also, the growth level of the plants.
Have you
So
identified any benchmark data set in your domain?
yes sir, in this we can say we have many government sites from where we can collect the data. We can have newspapers that in this government can provide the up to which up to the September these seeds are sown. So we can take data from there. Then we can have Kaggle that is maintained by the researchers, GitHub, and all these things.
Ms. Shilpi, my point is that for any research or any comparison purpose, you need to have a benchmark data set that is well used in the literature also, right? Then only you can prove your system. So have you identified any data set which is used in the literature and that you are using for your work and the comparison purpose?
So I have seen many, but I have not noted down, and I'm not remembering that particular thing. But I have seen, sir, in some papers.
Shilpi, can you go to your next slide, outcome, expected output?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this is hypothesis. This is methodology. Then this is a PERT chart and expected outcome of the study. So this study provides the holistic view of a whole system based on the inputs. It shows how changing of one parameter reflects the changing in the whole system. So get suggestions based on the current condition. This is helpful to track the list of raw materials needed at right time. So availability of resources must also be always be there. So by giving suitable guidance at each step required by farmers, the initial stage to the implementation to distribution of their produce, we in this we generate signals for alarming situations. So it is beneficial for the farmers and the government level. Government can also watch my this study or whatever we are creating. So it is like a software we have to create, and in this government can use that particular software, and they can track.
Shilpi, I have a question here.
Yes,
This helpful to track the list of raw materials needed at right time means who needs these raw materials, whether it is farmers or the customers who are actually the stakeholders of this research.
Sir, farmer.
Farmers. Go to your first slide.
Yes, sir.
Go back. Go back.
Okay.
First slide. Predicted.
Okay. Okay. First slide.
Predicted optimized farming design. Predicted is not the correct terminology.
Yes, sir.
Farming design and analysis using machine learning technique in agriculture.
Yes, sir.
Just re-look into the phrase, ma'am. The sentence you can redesign properly. And predicted is not the correct term. Predicted means you are also, it has done already.
No,
Means
sir.
you are saying it as past tense. Keep it as a simple present tense sentence. that would be more accurate.
Yes.
Okay, that can be changed as an optimized uh, an optimized farming design. Farming design also, just recheck the title, ma'am. That is one observation.
Ji,
And
sir.
put your next slide.
Okay.
Generally, it's seen that farmers grow same type of crop. See, obviously, this is the tradition that we are using. So,
Yeah.
what you want to say here? What exactly the idea of your research?
Okay, so in this, basically, if we talk about the UP state, so the farmers here are generally growing the wheat, rice, these type of commodity they are producing. So actually, what is the problem here is in rice and wheat, we are very we can say producing uh, uh, states there. We are the UP is a producing states, but the problem is the two the pulses requirement is more, but the production is very low. So it is better to move to the production of the pulses here. So what we can suggest is you can because rice can also require very large amount of water, but the here the states are not in the condition to overwhelming these things. So in the coastal areas we can produce more rice, but in this region Punjab,
You
so
want to say balancing should be there, am I right?
yeah, sir, balancing proportion should be there.
Balancing proportion should be there. But how are you going to get the data? That's what Dr. Hemant sir also asking the same thing to you. See, balancing, how can you get the balancing data? Suppose if X state is producing Y output and Y state is producing X output, then where you get the data? Means state X is producing this data and this state is not producing this item. So where will you get the data?
Yeah, sir, this data we can take from the government sites. I have approached one government site, that is FAO something. So we can write. I wrote a mail to them, and they just replied me. You can use the domain. You can use the domain for fetching purpose. So basically, they maintain the data district wise, so we can take that data. And I have a data set where the data is from 1990 to 2014 itself, where each and every district what type of crop they are producing and in which amount I have that particular data right now. So we can take data from the government sites itself because they are maintaining.
Shruti, one point is there that the crop production of crop depends upon the climatic conditions, soil conditions, and other aspects.
Yes,
And it is not that it is requirement is this thing, so we should start producing that thing.
Yeah.
It's not like that.
Bilkul,
So
definitely.
you have to study all those parameters first. Why we are producing this rice and wheat only? There must be some reason behind it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
you have to ascertain the reasons and find out if we are producing the cereals or dal, any other thing, what kind of environment or what kind of climatic conditions, what kind of water resources, and what kind of soil requirement is there for
Yes,
them.
sir. Yes, sir.
Will it be suitable for that or not?
So we are tracking all
You have
these
to study
parameters.
those things.
Yes,
So
sir.
these are the benchmarks that Dr. Hemant Chani was saying, that you have to study those things. Some benchmarks should be. Benchmarks means he mean to say is, I think that these are the standard parameters. There
Yes, sir.
must be certain things which are standard parameters upon
Yes.
which you are going to compare the things.
Yes, sir. But artificially we can manage these things, sir. Sometimes if we say that this particular crop requires more sunlight, so we can use the solar panels. So we can use the greenhouse effect.
Artificial things can be done within a limited thing.
Yes,
It
sir.
cannot be done in a huge thing. Okay?
Yes, yes, sir.
एक आध एकड़ की बात हो तो we can do that way.
Yeah, yes, sir.
And
India.
it is not like that you can do all over the change the climatic conditions for the type of produce.
No, sir. No,
It is
sir.
not possible at all. It
Sir,
is not only the climatic condition, it is also the condition of the soils.
Yes, sir, definitely. We have
Yes.
to track all these things, because if wheat can be grown, some pulses can also be grown. If we
You
are
just find
if
it
we are
out of why these are only wheat and rice are produced over there. Why not other things? There must be certain reason.
yes, sir, but we can we can track all these things, and we can recalculate it all these things again and again, so that if okay, this is now there is another concept that is for contract farming. So contract farming, basically contractor hires some farmers to produce that particular type of thing, so they can get more benefit and these things. So if they require pulses, so they can from my study they can get benefited. Okay, what is the better land, or what is the land suitability where we can produce this type of crop. So basically whatever our idea is to track all these things, so what is the right place to grow that particular seeds, or sow that seeds.
This is beyond your scope. Otherwise, you should see that your topic of the name of the topic, that is not in your scope. It goes beyond that. You are not clear about your topic and what you are going to do, because this you have taken a thing which is a very vast topic.
Sir,
You cannot limit everything.
sir, so we are
Okay, okay, ma'am, Shilpi ma'am, okay.
Shilpi, you just do one thing, you just reframe the topic and discuss all particular formulation in a one go, so that for this required proper review of literature, for this you take help from your supervisor, so that it will come in a good way. Your presentation is just like a अच्छे दिन आएंगे, अच्छे दिन कैसे आएंगे, क्या होगा, तो there is a lack of missing in terms of part. So
sir, we are moving in that direction also.
हाँ, so अच्छे दिन आएंगे, no doubt, I am sure.
But we are suggesting something.